Oh no. I gotta save the world. I'm gonna get to kill this dinosaur with his tree. This is what he gets when he did this to me. Come on, it's heavier! The tree is heavier. You're the X-Men. Freak out, you have been detained. Because honey, you're the best little dinosaur father ever. And then you're gonna show you who you are. Because you're the X-Men. You are the X-Men. No. No, please. Please. You're the X-Men. You're the X-Men. The X-Men. No, you listen to me. You've been just because they can't stop you. It's about who can stop you. Because the reason is that it's to be that you lost now. You ain't winning at the end of this one. It means I'm the X-Men. I'm in the X-Men. The Logan. So now, I am not a villain now. Goodbye, X66. Goodbye, Zero Ace.